Discover the beautiful village of Castle Combe, Wiltshire. Castle Combe, nestled in the heart of Wiltshire, is known as one of the most beautiful villages in England. With its picturesque charm and serene ambience, it attracts numerous visitors eager to explore and experience its unique allure. Village Centre. Upon entering the village centre, you'll be captivated by the ancient stone cottages and cobblestone streets. Here, you'll find the Market Cross, a historical landmark dating back to the 14th century. This spot, once the village's bustling market area, is now an essential stop for visitors to Castle Combe. The area resembles a scene straight out of a fairy tale, with an unforgettable beauty. The houses in Castle Combe are primarily built from local limestone, featuring low roofs and quaint little gardens at the front. The architecture has remained largely unchanged over centuries, creating a setting that is both charming and romantic. St. Andrew's Church. St. Andrew's Church, with its impressive medieval architecture, is a must-see landmark. Built in the 13th century, the church stands out with its Norman door and the faceless clock, one of the oldest working clocks in the country. Stepping inside, you'll feel the sacred atmosphere and rich history. The church also houses numerous artworks and valuable artifacts, narrating the lives and faith of the villagers over many centuries. Bybrook River. The tranquil Bybrook River gently flows through the village, creating a serene and picturesque setting. A leisurely stroll along the riverbank offers a moment of peace and relaxation, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Small stone bridges crossing the river and blooming flowers on both sides paint a lively and romantic natural picture. Castle Combe Circuit, for those who crave excitement. The Castle Combe Circuit is an intriguing destination. It is one of the oldest racing circuits in the UK, hosting numerous thrilling motorsport events throughout the year. You can enjoy the lively atmosphere and speed right in this peaceful village. The circuit not only attracts professional racers, but also opens its doors to tourists for visits and safe driving courses. Local tea rooms and pubs. After exploring the village, stop by one of the cozy tea rooms or traditional pubs. Enjoy a cup of tea, homemade cakes, or a hearty meal, and immerse yourself in the warm and friendly village atmosphere. The tea rooms here are renowned for their attentive service and delicious pastries, while the pubs offer a classic ambience with fascinating stories from the locals. Local life and culture. Castle Combe is not just a tourist spot, but also a vibrant community with unique cultural features. The residents here take great pride in the village's history and heritage, always willing to share stories and age-old traditions. Local festivals and events, such as the Summer Festival and Christmas Fair, provide excellent opportunities to learn more about the local life and people. Conclusion. Castle Combe is truly a hidden gem, offering a perfect blend of history, beauty, and tranquility. It is a must-visit destination when exploring Wiltshire. Whether you're looking for a place to relax, delve into history, or enjoy recreational activities, Castle Combe can meet all your needs. Thank you for joining our tour of Castle Combe. See you in our next adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel journeys.